How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Local Channel. So someone asked me to do a recap if I traded today. So as you know, the hype going on GME, AMC. I traded GME last week, a quick trade, made like $100 on it. Today we trade AMC. Uh, yeah, a small move, but yeah, we'll go into that recap. Really nice, solid moves I got on it, to be honest. We didn't go heavy with any share size, but this is kind of how I approached it. So we seen that it was popping back up with volume this morning. We as we watched it pull back into this support, we got the 9 moving average. It was running into the 20 and the VWAB, as well as daily support. So we took a trade off of this as it bounced off of that, tested that support there, and first candle to make a new high. This is the 5-minute chart at the price of 1630. We took off half our position size around 1690, and then as the market opened it flushed down and we sold the rest at break even. So my entry was like 1630, or yeah, 1630. So we didn't get much on it. We traded it like absolutely perfectly. Our entries were perfect. We didn't hold on, no attachments, no emotions at all. And yeah, it was a complete solid trade. The next thing we traded, before that, even I was looking to get some shorts on it, as you know, it came down under the VWAB 9 and 20. I love to short. Beautiful easy short pattern setup. I would have went heavy size too, but stocks not available to short. AMC, GME not available to short, unfortunately. We would have got a nice short here at 1590, and on GME even more beautiful, we would have got a short here at 295. But you know, it's all right. We're able to recognize these patterns really easy, simply. There's going to be other opportunities. I'm not sure. Maybe there's some brokers that allow you to get shorts on these stocks, but I don't know. There's been a lot of brokers issues and a whole bunch of stuff when it comes to these two stocks trading it right now. After that, we traded the SPY S&P 500. So we weren't able to get those other shorts, but we got this short easy under the VWAB 9 and 20. Sorry, under the VWAB 9 and 20. Right here, first candle to make a new low after testing that resistance there, and then we got a big move. I think I only sold out at let me check my execution there, 70.50. So we got about 60 cents there. 71, yeah, we're trading now here. Yeah, here we go. So we missed out on the first initial entry because we were looking at the other stuff. We got in a little late, which I'm not too happy about, around over here, but we're still able to get a continued move down, and we got out down here at 70.50. So you know, it's a nice spot. I would definitely rather have entered at that 70.40 level. We'd have had a lot more. And again, we had to go light sure size since we were kind of late, right? We're already kind of missing the move. Even right now, this didn't even test the VWAB there. I would have liked it to test the VWAB if I want to get a short under 70.57 here. But it's all right. We're done trading for today. It's 10:10. We traded for like an hour since we traded a little in the pre-market there. But you know, it's just another day. So hopefully you guys have a good day. You guys be safe and be disciplined with these trades. You know, there's a lot of opportunities, but it can only be an opportunity if you're ready for it, right? So have a good one, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see you guys again.